fighters wait a long time to learn. He has a reputation as a great jabber.
But you know, we're gonna see if the power is devastating like everybody says on Saturday. And
when you saw that, you went right there. To go to the body. Yep, there it is.
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.
Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. Naoya the Monster Inoue, 3-division world champion at unified bantamweight champion. Kasalukuyang undefeated ng may kartadang 22 wins, 0 loss, 19 dito via knockout at number 3 sa listahan ng pound for pound ngayon. Malakas, mabilis at parang robot na kung natatamaan ng solidong kamao ay tila pinapagpag lang niya ito. Bago natamo ang kasikatan at karangalan ay 5 Pinoy muna ang kanyang nilabanan at napagtagumpayan. 4 lang sa kanyang mga laban ang ginawa sa labas ng kanyang bayan, isa sa United Kingdom at 3 sa bansang Amerika. Lahat ng ito ay napagtagumpayan niya. Sa una niyang dayo ay bansang Amerika ang kanyang pinuntahan. Siya mismo ang pumunta sa lungga ng Kalaban para idipinsa ang titulong WBO World Super Flyweight title na hawak-hawak niya. Nakaharap niya dito ang contender sa kanyang titulo, ang magaling din na si Antonio Nieves na tubong Cleveland, Ohio. 13 wins, 0 loss, 11 via knockouts Inoue. 24 ang edad at 5'5 ang tangkad. Habang 17 wins, only 1 defeat, 9 via KO naman si Nieves. 30 na ang edad at 5'4 lang ang tangkad. Bagamat dihado si Nieves sa pustaan at sa mata ng karamihan, ay kumpiyansang-kumpiyansa naman siya at ang kanyang buong team na kaya nilang dispatsahin itong si Inoue. Maliit lang daw ito at nasanay daw itong lumaban sa mas mababang timbang.
Like I said, he's a great fighter, but has he really been tested? Like all his fights been in Japan. Half of them were at 108. You know, fighting guys that stand right in front of him. You know,
he's little as hell. Look at him. Look how small he is. He was 108 pounds.
115 pounds, didn't miss one meal.
Gugulatin daw ni Nieves ang buong mundo sa gabi ng kanilang bakbakan. Pero sa mismong gabi ng laban, unang round pa lang, pinapakain na ni Inoue itong si Nieves ng mga malulutong na jab at 1-2 na kombinasyon.
On a classic 1-2, there's the classic 1-2 again with 1. But you can Nieves quite aware that he's up against a guy who's
has their eyes peeled right now on this fight because he's saying such glowing things.
At para di halata na nasasaktan na itong si Nieves, ay nakuha pa nitong dumila-dila kay Inoue sa laban.
He has a reputation. He's a great jabber.
See early that his father taught him well. He's fundamentally sound, and that power.
He has an idea of what he wants to do in there. Punch when Inoue.
Get that physically.
Tries to deliver the body. Inoue did a great job of blocking and feints and panned by Nieves.
Right, tries to punch with Inoue. This is where Inoue has had his way so far.
Pagkatapos ng round 1, namumula na agad ang mukha ni Nieves dahil ito sa mga jab na sinalo niya galing kay Inoue. Second round tuloy pa rin ang pagdomina ni Inoue sa laban. Jab at 1-2 combo ang sinasalo ni Nieves dito.
Good 1-2 by Inoue.
Inoue has been a little bit wide.
Take a knee in an amateur fight, so he has had one knockdown scored against him, although he says wasn't because of a punch. Now Inoue sticking the jab. That's his game. The body shot yet from Inoue in this round. Now he goes downstairs and comes back up and fires the left hook to the body.
Kahit mga komentator ay napahanga sa lakas ng kamao ng The Monster ng Japan. Parang lakas daw ng lightweight boxer ang kamao ni Inoue.
You can hear those shots from ringside.
These guys are so small, you go, boy, he hits like a lightweight. And that's a compliment.
Won the first fight for Juan Francisco.
And that's the same thing you see with Inoue right now. He's always in position to punch.
Waiting, and he launches again.
You know, the guy coming here is, can Inoue impose his overwhelming offense anyway?
Drives Nieves back just a little bit. Left hand to the body. Placement rather than power. Now 3 of a scheduled 12. You can see that Harold Inoue winning the first 2 rounds.
You see why he's called the monster. When a guy has fast hands,
He just did something you occasionally see, a little bit lift over the top and get it down to the face. Now there's a perfect uppercut by Inoue.
Third round, kahit ginagawang punching bag na ni Inoue itong si Nieves, ay nakuha pa din itong dumila. Kaya mas lalong nanggigil itong si Naoya na lapain itong kalaban.
By Inoue.
I don't think it's going to matter tonight, Andre, but Inoue's defense used kind of classic technical defense. You think that'll be a problem against the next level?
It remains it's early to mid-30s. You'll have to make those adjustments. A lot about the power of Inoue, but as we mentioned this night, he has an Ike Corte.
It's a heavy jab, meaning his weight comes out over his front foot when he throws it.
Oh, and it sets up power shots like that. Combination after combination.
But listen, when you're getting hit with those kind of shots, sometimes the game plan can go out the window quick. You're getting hit heavy with heavy shots to the head and the body. Pick-em type puncher. He'll throw a jab, he'll throw a lead.
The pick-em type puncher until he gets his guy hurt, and then he throws in combination.
I like that.
This is just a brilliant round. This was a one-sided pile driver.
30-27. Naoya's a punch man. He don't miss. Extremely accurate. It's amazing. The guy's got terrific accuracy. Amazing job he's doing. 3-0.
What's impressive about Inoue is here right now.
But I think he does, even though it's only the 4th round out of 12, he does need to keep a close eye on Nieves. Nieves is a tough kid, but he is taking a lot of punch in that position because when you're in the position of Nieves, technical, or do you appeal to his heart?
Well, win or lose, it's a big week in one way for Nieves. He works at a PNC. Hurt him as his banking career goes forward, and he said, Inoue, it seemed to me.
Yeah, I think that was by design. I don't know if Inoue was resting or if he was trying to lift the punishment from the previous round.
In an exchange.
Than any other top fighter in the sport, an average of 37 coming in. He's throwing 41 jabs per round here tonight. Wow. So many of them over the years, and some of them have been among the stayed away from it.
I mean, ideally in between.
I think that's a great point.
Has to put Nieves away here in this round or next. You capture their imagination and really look.
5th round, bugbog sarado pa rin si Nieves. Tila walang magawang solusyon sa opensa ni Inoue. Halos di nakakatama ang mga suntok nito sa galing din ng depensa ni Inoue.
And now in round 5, it looks like Nieves is trying to find somewhere to hide in the ring, and he can't find it as Inoue continues to track him down, pin him against the ropes.
Pero sa huling minuto ng round 5, dumila ulit itong si Nieves, kaya malutong na suntok ang tumama sa kanyang bodega at nagpaluhod sa kanya.
There and here Inoue has him ready to go to the body. Yup, there it is.
First time down as a pro for Nieves. First time in the ring with a fighter body right now.
He'll protect the head, but the body can't.
Inoue stalking.
There it is.
Another body.
Much other than a hook to the body.
And there's another one. And there's another one. Nieves lands a right hand, but not with enough authority to change anything. Another left hook to the body. Another left hook to the body. Inoue trying to finish the fight with exactly the prescription offered by our expert commentators. Boxing, I don't care who you are, who you're fighting, where you've been brought up. Learn to throw the left hook to the body. It will win you more fights than any other weapon.
He's about to win by stoppage, but he's only throwing one hook at a time.
You don't have to worry about the referee stopping. I'll stop it, believe me. Now, listen to me. We know that we have an opportunity now.
Good. I'm not going to let him take a lot more punishment, okay? You understand? All right?
All right now.
But I don't see the point in this contest continuing because it's not a contest anymore. We're just waiting for the final hook to the body to end things. I don't know what's the point after that last round.
6th round tuloy pa rin ang laban. Pero wala nang ibang ginawa itong si Nieves kundi tumakbo at dumipensa na lang. Kaya itong si Inoue ay tila naumay na sa laban. Inaasar na lang niya si Nieves.
Good right hand right.
Over and over and over. The sledgehammer left to the body.
You can see Nieves is keeping that right hand glued to his side right there. That's why you got to switch it up. If you want that shot, you got to go away.
I know I'm a star. You're going to see big things from me in the ring. Come to me. Come to me. I'm ready for the knockout right now.
The referee has to keep a close look on me.
So Nieves looked at him like, wait a minute, you're allowed to do
another
that
left hook to the body. Listen to the sound when those left-hand body shots land. That is a thud. You can hear that all over the arena here at the StubHub Center in Carson.
No, he's not. You need to stop it now. Do you need to see your guy unable to rise from the canvas? the contest is over. It's not a contest anymore.
Nieves came in with a record of 17-1-2. His first loss in the last fight was a decision.
Like he's still in the fight, but if you know what you're looking at, only going to get worse as this fight progresses. Big
Right hand to the body.
From Inoue.
What a vicious shot.
Who knows what's going on internally in his...
Another left to the body to finish the round.
Bago mag-umpisa ang ikapitong round, ay umayaw na ang kampo ng challenger na si Nieves. Kitang-kita na nila na wala na talagang kalaban-laban ang kanilang alaga sa atake ng tinaguriang halimaw ng Japan. Panalo si Naoya Inoue dito. Tagumpay ang pagdipinsa niya sa titulo. Napanatili ang malinis na kartada nito at pinahanga pa niya ang mga nanonood ng live sa arena sa unang tungtong at laban niya sa bansang Amerika.
Naoya Monster